Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure location services are enabled. This gives accurate nearby results. Once done, open the Maps app or the Apple Store app and allow location access so results reflect where you are. Type Apple Store in the search bar or include your city if needed. Tap the closest match to see distance and basic details. Make sure to note the address and opening hours now, because that directs your next choices and saves time when you head out. Now examine the store card for hours, Genius Bar availability, and listed services so you know what to expect. Once you see that, use filters for Open Now or Sort by Distance to prioritize options. If you need device repair, tap to book a Genius Bar appointment. Booking prevents long waits. Make sure to call the store when you need specific parts or immediate confirmation, because online info can lag. This step saves you an extra trip and ensures they can help. Finally, choose a route and start navigation. Use driving, walking, or transit options depending on how you travel. Once routed, save the store card and add any appointment time to your calendar so you don't miss it. Also check parking options or transit times to estimate arrival. If the map shows incorrect locations or no nearby stores, troubleshoot by toggling location services, restarting the Maps app, or rebooting your device. This usually fixes stale location data and restores accurate nearby search results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.